Why is the hygiene of cats' food bowls and water so important? Taking care of a cat makes one happy. Cats brighten our life, offer company and affection. One must pay attention to their needs if one is to keep them healthy. Often disregarded is one very important factor: the state of their food bowls and water. Health hazards from unclean bowls. Microorganisms can find home in dirty bowls. Food wastes left in the bowl cause bacterial multiplication. Your cat may develop several health problems as a result. Typical issues are diarrhea and stomach illnesses. Sometimes more severe diseases can even be brought on by filthy bowls. Maintaining cleanliness of bowls helps avoid these problems. Why do cats show sensitivity? Cats are inherently tidy creatures. They groom themselves for a lot of time. They are thus perceptive of their environment. Should their bowls be dirty, they could refuse to eat or drink. Dehydration and starvation can follow from this. Furthermore, strong in scent are cats. They can pick even minute smells that humans might overlook. A clean dish guarantees their comfort and healthfulness. Various kinds of pollution. Dirty bowls can include several kinds of pollutants. The most often occurring organism are bacteria. Additionally, able to flourish in wet conditions are mold and yeast. Still, another problem can be parasites. Your cat can become quite ill from these toxins. Regular cleaning eliminates these dangerous components. Regularity of maintenance. One should have regular ritual of cleaning the dishes. Every day fresh food and drink ought to be given. Empty and give the bowls a soap and water wash. To eliminate any soap residue, rinse very carefully. For a more complete cleaning, if at all possible, run dishes through a dishwasher. Before filling the dishes, totally dry them. This stops bacterial and mold development. Bowl material resources. Moreover, important is the bowl's substance. Plastic dishes are rather prone to scratches. Germs and bacteria can find home in these scratches. Though they chip and shatter, ceramic bowls are a superior choice. The ideal selection are stainless steel bowls. They repel germs, are easy to clean, and last. Methods of bowl cleaning. Bowls can be cleaned easily. Empty any leftovers of food or drink first. Run warm, soapy water using a sponge or brush. Give every surface careful cleaning. Look especially at any edges or crevices. To totally remove all the soap, rinse well. Using a clean towel, dry the bowl. Make sure it dries totally before refilling. Indices the need of cleaning your cat's bowls. Your cat's behavior could point to filthy bowls. Should your cat avoid the bowl, it could be unclean. One obvious indication is bad smells from the bowl. Visible food residue or mold indicates that a clean is necessary. Frequent inspection will enable you to keep current with this chore. Advantages of neat bowls. Clean dishes have several advantages. They assist ward against infections and disease. Your cat will eat and drink more readily. This guarantees their continuing hydration and nourishment. It also ensures your pet lives in a happy and healthy surroundings. Getting your cat to drink more. Cats sometimes drink insufficient water. Urinary and renal problems could follow from this. Giving fresh water in a neat basin motivates them to sip more. Water fountains are another tool. Moving water appeals to cats, hence they might sip more. The water and food dishes of your cat must be kept hygienic. It makes your cat happy and helps to avoid health problems. Your daily schedule should consist on regular cleaning. Select the correct bowl materials. The ideal is stainless steel. Make sure the dishes have been completely dried and cleaned always. Your cat will repay you with improved lifespan and wellness. Generally speaking, maintaining the cleanliness of your cat's bowls is easy but vital. Their general well-being is much improved or deteriorated by it. Spend some daily time washing their bowls. The condition and happiness of your cat depend on it. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.